This one is a 1933 Underwood 4-bank. It's called 4-bank because it has 4 rows of keys here. This model was made in the Great Depression and is considered an economy model. That means that it has less functions than most typewriters. It doesn't have a backspace, doesn't have a right margin control. It doesn't have a ribbon selector switch that allows you to use a black and red ribbon. And little other things, but it's still a really nice looking machine and it types perfectly. So I'll show you how to use it and make sure everything works. So this one doesn't have a bell. This model doesn't come with a bell, so you gotta just kind of eye it out when you get to the end of the margin. It does have a line space here that allows you to skip 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single space. As you can see, all the keys type nice. None of them stick or skip or anything like that. Type a sentence real quick. Really nice type of machine. Show you how that print looks close up. Got a nice print too. It's a nice machine with not a lot of functions. Sometimes people like that. Just less brain work. The rest of the functions, it's got a carriage release on this side. It does not have a bell like we talked about. This is the paper, I don't know what that's called, but it allows you to load in thicker paper. It releases the rollers underneath here so you can also pull the paper out easily. This is how you change from single to double space. And it's got a margin on the left side here. Does not have one on this side. So that's about it. Nice and simple, easy, ready to go. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.